Hey everyone, welcome back to All's Review. Thanks for checking out my review. Today, I'm super excited to share with you some incredible bonuses you'll get when you grab this product. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on these amazing offers worth a total of $985. First up, we have Edamix. This automated passive income system allows you to get paid even while you sleep. You'll receive free clicks and traffic 24/7 with zero hidden fees. It's a game changer for anyone looking to make money online effortlessly. Next is Artisia. Imagine generating stunning AI images, logos, and videos in real time, all in 4000 HD. With Artisia, you can create and sell high-quality graphics for profit, converting any image into 3D videos. It's perfect for designers and creatives. Then, we have AI Partner and Profit. This is a unique opportunity to partner with a 7-figure business owner and get your own AI-powered 7-figure business without any experience or skills needed. You don't have to do any of the work. Moving on, Audio Buddy turns text into stunning AI audio. Create audiobooks and podcasts effortlessly, choosing from 500 realistic human voices. You can publish your content to major platforms like Spotify, Audible, and more. It's never been this easy. Last but not least, the Mega PLR Suite. Get 15 million products with PLR rights to edit, rebrand, and sell for huge profits. This suite covers the most profitable niches, and there are no hidden payments ever. It's the fastest way to own a fresh stream of hot products and sell them to the world. These bonuses are absolutely incredible and can seriously boost your income potential. But remember, this offer is only available for a limited time, so you need to act fast. To pick up product that I'm reviewing and unlock these exclusive bonuses, right now check out the link in the description. Cheers guys, let's check out what this product is all about. Now we'll explore everything AI Gigz Hub offers, from the type of website you get to the pros and cons of this unique system. Before we dive in, let me introduce myself. I'm Zayed from All's Review. I've been earning a full-time income online through digital marketing for over 7 years now, all from the comfort of my home. My experience with countless launches will hopefully provide valuable insights as you consider this offer. Now, let's dive into AI Gigz Hub. With AI Gigz Hub, you get a professional-looking website designed to sell various freelance services. What makes this platform unique is the array of AI tools available to help you fulfill orders, such as article writing, web design, programming, graphics, animation, and more. You can customize your website to replicate the look and feel of popular marketplaces like Fiverr. Potential clients can join your site, create an account, and make payments directly to you. You can also rebrand your site with your own logo and identity. However, I believe listing directly on established platforms like Fiverr or Upwork might be more effective since they already have a built-in audience. Creating your own website means you'll need to generate your own traffic and leads, which can be challenging. In the AI Gigz Hub membership area, there's a Get Traffic feature that allows you to share your services on social media for free traffic. However, you'll need an existing following to make this effective. AI Gigz Hub also provides tools to help you fulfill orders. For example, there's an AI logo maker, AI text writers for product descriptions, reviews, blog posts, and articles, and even an AI voiceover tool for creating audio content. Additionally, you can generate images and graphics, use AI chatbots for specific tasks, and perform programming tasks with various AI tools. One of the standout features is the AI Lead Finder and AI Broadcast tool. The Lead Finder can scrape the internet for local businesses in your niche, while the Broadcast tool allows you to send targeted messages offering your services. Used responsibly, this can be a powerful way to generate leads and grow your business. I hope this review of AI Gigz Hub has been helpful in understanding how the platform works. If you're serious about generating a realistic income online, don't forget to check out my #1 recommended system by clicking the link in the video description. Thanks for watching my AI Gigz Hub review. Best of luck, and I'll see you soon.